You saw what I did right there? I just anchored my watermelon. Tip for you. Anchor that bad boy so you control it. It doesn't control you. We've got Charlotte with her honeydew. We got Jenna with her cantaloupe. And we've got Carrie. Carrie, what do you got there, Carrie? She got a watermelon, but it's a yellow watermelon. Beautiful. Okay, Melon Baller Championships are going down, okay? Jenna, I'm gonna give you that one. Charlotte, I'm gonna give you that one. Carrie, I'm gonna give you that one. And I'm gonna take that one. Oh yeah! 1, 2, 3, go. I'll give you all a head start. Oh, why you pull for Jenna? Why you pull for Jenna? Oh, you're not the underdog. Okay, switch. Go, 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 go. Carrie, you're the champion, right? I gotta say you're the champion. Champion melon ball over here. But you know what, Charlotte? I think you got the prettiest melon balls right there. Look at those. Huh? That's beautiful. You got some tiny little cantaloupe balls there. It's all going in the salad. Ladies, I appreciate your help. Pour everything into one. Look at those cute little cantaloupe balls. Some honeydew. I know we're getting really close to eating time, all right? But you know, even a fruit salad needs a nice dressing, all right? Summertime dressing. You know what that is? Honey! Honey, that's right. It's beautiful honey. What do we got here? Melon. Get him in there. That's my favorite part, I guarantee it. That is gorgeous. I'm gonna throw a little mint on top of there. Oh. And folks, we've got a cool down, big time summer melon salad right there.